If you're exhausted and can't explain why, it's not weakness. It's not weakness. Let me say that again. If you're exhausted and can't explain why, it's not weakness, it's overload. There we go. I want you to sit with that for a second because so many people in the mature age season think they need more discipline, more willpower, or more push. But that's not what your body is asking for. Your body is tired of pressure. It's tired of carrying things quietly. It's tired of being told, keep going, while it's whispering for help. If that feels a little too familiar, stay with me. If we haven't met yet, I'm Claudette Eames, and I help the mature age community rebuild calm and strength after life's heavy seasons. And one thing I see over and over again, and in my lived life myself, is the idea that fatigue means decline. But your body doesn't lose energy randomly. It loses energy when the load gets too heavy to regulate. And the first signs aren't dramatic. They're actually kind of subtle. A little fog, a little heaviness, a dip you can't explain, moments where your system says, I'm doing my best, but I just can't do this alone. Those are not weaknesses, those are messages. There was a point in my life, not chaotic, not extreme, where everything looked fine on the outside, but inside my energy felt paper thin. Mornings are okay, but by midday, it felt like someone unplugged me. And of course, I did what most people do. I ignored it, just pushed through, told myself it was just being tired. But it wasn't tired, it was overloaded. My nervous system wasn't failing, it was flagging me down, saying, you're carrying too much. You stretched yourself too thin. You don't need to push harder. You need to support differently. The day I stopped trying to force my way through and started supporting my nervous system, everything shifted. Not overnight, but enough that I could feel myself coming back online steadily. Here's what I want you to take with you today. Energy dips are patterns, not problems. Your body signals long before anything breaks. Fatigue isn't protective. It's your system dialing you down to keep you safe. You rebuild energy through regulation, not pressure. Your system needs room, not more tasks. Support beats strength every time. For me, support showed up in my nervous system tools, daily routines, and in giving my body something it could actually use to regulate, not just survive. When you give your body real support, your energy doesn't trickle, it rebuilds. The mature age season is powerful, not because everything is perfect, but because your awareness is sharper, your intuition is stronger, and your body responds quickly when you give it space to breathe. So if anything I said today hit you, if you've been brushing off the overwhelm, if you've been pushing through fatigue hoping it'll magically fix itself, I want you to hear this clearly. Your body isn't breaking down. It's speaking up. And you don't have to figure this out alone. If this landed even a little, drop support or send me a private message. I'll help you take one grounded step that meets you exactly where you are. Because your energy isn't gone. It's been waiting for support. Thank you for being here. Again, I'm Claudette Eames. And if you're not already following, please follow so you can kind of stay into tune and connect. So um, drop support, send a private message, and I look forward to talking with you.